Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys pattern lock setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can we change guys our pin lock in our Samsung phone guys. You want to change guys your pin lock setting in your Samsung phone, so guys you can change. And guys now let's see how to change pin in our Samsung phone. First of all, open your phone settings friends. Then guys you can see guys this type of settings. So guys scroll it and guys click on guys screen lock setting. Yeah, screen lock type guys, tap here and guys enter your pin password. Then guys again click on pin and guys new pin guys. I will take guys this 2580. Guys be careful here guys. I am again telling you guys, don't do any mistake. 2580. So I we will change it. And guys now you can see. So it's 1 2 3 4 guys, wrong pin guys, you can see 252580, right? So I hope friends you have understood how to change pin lock in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. And guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.